Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AirPods to Samsung TV instant link step by step clearly. To connect your AirPods to a Samsung TV, start with your TV turned on. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Select the settings icon. From the settings menu, scroll down to the sound option. In the sound menu, look for sound output. Select sound output to see available audio devices. Choose Bluetooth speaker list from the options. Now, take your AirPods out of their case. Ensure the AirPods are charged and powered on. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the AirPods case until the LED light starts flashing white. Return to your TV and wait for your AirPods to appear on the list of available devices. Select your AirPods from the list. If prompted, confirm the connection to your AirPods. Once connected, the TV will indicate that your AirPods are ready to use. You can now enjoy audio from your Samsung TV through your AirPods. Make sure to adjust the volume settings on both the TV and your AirPods for the best experience. If you encounter any issues, repeat the pairing process. That's it. You're all set to listen wirelessly through your AirPods. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.